We've all been there. You're working on a MIDI part and you want to move a MIDI note, but you want to move it in milliseconds. Maybe it's a clap you want to happen a touch earlier to avoid that transient stack. Perhaps it's a bass that you want to sit in the pocket just behind the kick in that classic way. Quantise won't work, Ableton Groove template doesn't work, so what do? You can, of course, move it by hand, turn off snap to grid, zoom in and adjust it. But that is cumbersome. You can use the track delay, that is in milliseconds, but that is the whole track. And if you are slipping something earlier, then that's going to introduce latency, not always ideal. So moving by milliseconds is useful. That's why we built Slip, an Ableton Live MIDI transformation tool. It does one simple thing, moves notes by milliseconds. Okay, so how do you use it then? In this example, I want to slip this pre-shifted clap earlier by 28 milliseconds. As you can see, the clap sample ramps up to the transient, so we get a nice whip before the clap sound. Select the notes, click on the dial and type in -28 and then hit the transform button, and that is it, done. And for this one, I want to push the bass later. Sit it just behind the kick, in classic terms, in the pocket. It's an old trick, but a good one. This time, let's use auto transform so that the notes move as we rotate the dial. Yeah. Get in there. Yeah, I like that. Later by 26 milliseconds. That works for me. Okay, now let's play around with those open hi-hats. Let's select every other offbeat hat. Now let's just play around with them. I'm not really paying attention to the milliseconds this time, just listening and see what we get. There, I like that. Can you hear the accent we now have in the rhythm? And now I can easily transfer that to the ride cymbal, like so. Okay, there you go. Slip by producer stack.